Losing international customers at checkout? A single currency setup could be costing you sales. What if shoppers could switch to their local currency in seconds? Meet WooCommerce Currency Switcher by ShopLentor. Customers hesitate when they see unfamiliar currencies. Confusion equals abandoned carts. With ShopLentor's Currency Switcher, prices update instantly based on real-time exchange rates. Customers shop in their preferred currency. No guesswork, just smooth transactions. Enable the Currency Switcher. Go to your WordPress dashboard, ShopLentor, Settings, Module. Find Currency Switcher and toggle it on to activate the feature. Add multiple currencies. Click Add Item to include a new currency. Customize settings like currency selection, decimal placement, currency symbol position, exchange rates, exchange fee, payment method restrictions, custom symbols. Set the default currency. Choose which currency will be the default when customers land on your store. Display the currency switcher on your store. Open your preferred page in Elementor. Search for Currency Switcher in the Elementor widget panel. Drag and drop the widget where you want it on the page. Done. Now, customers can easily switch between currencies. That's it. A seamless multi-currency experience in just a few clicks. Ready to sell without borders? Get WooCommerce Currency Switcher by ShopLentor today. Start now. Link in the description. Thank you.